Hey guys, it's pretty dark right now. It's a little after 7 p.m. You know, around this time, it gets dark super early. But I went and took a trip to Home Depot and I got this really cool deal. And I want to tell you guys about it, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, guess what? I am at Home Depot. And y'all know I love me some plants and trees, fruit trees especially. And I'm looking at a sign right now that says fruit flowering and shade trees with the orange tags are 75% off. And this pear tree is $26.98. So if you subtract 75% off of that, honey, this pear tree is a steal. So you already know. I'm about to get 3 of them. Praise the Lord. And hopefully I find some more good deals over here. Okay, bye. Now, if you're judging my trunk, don't judge too harshly. I move everything in there from trees, plants, shrubs, soil, mulch, dirt, you name it. It all goes. So this is exactly why I need a truck, guys. Look at my trees and my mom's. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I wind up getting 2 pear trees instead of 3. And I believe they were $6.70 or something like that. And the mums were $10.98 each. I got 2 of them and they were 50% off. And like I was telling you guys earlier, the pear trees were 75% off. So this was a super steal, a super cool deal. And I can't wait to go ahead and do this again. Hey guys, I'm just getting back home and I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it inspired you to take a trip to Home Depot yourself and see what deals they have at your Home Depot. A few weeks ago, my store had some house plants for $7.98 and they were buy one get one free, so I bought a few of those. So just check your Home Depot right now because this is the time of year where there are a lot of sales. So do that, and if you have not subscribed already, please do so and click the bell to get notifications if you like our content. Alrighty, bye guys.